Welcome to Aussie Wealth Builder, the place where ordinary people learn extraordinary wealth building strategies. If you are tired chasing paychecks and want your money to work for you, you are in the right place. Please make sure to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell icon, and drop your thoughts in the comments. I will personally reply to every single one. Let me ask you something real straight. Have you ever looked at your bank account and thought, I worked so hard, but why does nothing ever grow? I save, I hustle, I sacrifice, and yet I feel stuck. That was me too. No financial degree, no inheritance, just a regular job and a dream of a freedom. But one day something clicked and I decided enough of living month to month. I want $1,000 per month in passive income minimum. And guess what? I'm not there yet, but I'm building it. And I want you to build yours right beside me. See, nobody taught us this stuff. We grew up hearing, work hard and retire at 60. Buy a house, save money, pray your superannuation grows. But nobody said, build an income that comes in while you sleep. I don't want to wait until I'm old to live my life. I want cash flow, freedom, and control right now. And if you're watching this deep down, so do you? The plan. Right. So let me walk you through what I'm doing step by step with no BS. I'm building a 3-engine world system. Number 1, the dividend ETFs. Number 2, YouTube's and digital products. Number 3, the cybersecurity freelance, which I'll talk to you very shortly. So let's go deeper into each one, starting today with the dividend ETFs, the simplest, laziest way to earn passive income. Now, I'm not going to talk about chasing the hot stocks, shiny objects, or trading crypto daily. I am talking about building a lazy money machine through dividend ETFs. Let me explain in the simplest way. A dividend ETF is a basket of top companies that pay you a slice of their profits regularly, usually every 3 months. Some pay usually monthly. The best part, you don't need to time the market. You don't need to be a stock expert. You just invest and chill. Here's what I've learned and invested in. So, for an example, the Vanguard High Yield Dividend ETFs, the JP Morgan Equity Premium Income S&P 500 ETF, and another example is the JP Morgan Premium Equity Nasdaq 100 ETF, and the Vanguard Australian Property ETF. So every single one gives me dividends even if I do nothing. That's cool, isn't it? So comment below if you want a full breakdown of each ETF in series 2. I'll cover in detail. Real numbers, what I have built so far. Let me show you what this really looks like in real numbers. I started with just $250 per week. Now, I've invested over $150,000 in these ETFs. And they're already paying me around $800 per month in dividends. My goal is to scale it to $1,000 per month in the next 2 to 3 months. This is real, simple, scalable, and anyone can do it. You don't need to have $1,000 or $100,000 upfront. Just start small. Be consistent. Reinvest everything. The compound effect. Let me share you a powerful secret. There is something called as the snowball effect. When you reinvest your dividends, your next dividends becomes even bigger and contributing to the original principal. So 1 becomes 2, 2 becomes 4, 4 becomes 8, and you get the point. It keeps on going. It's like a compounding engine. Example, start with $5,000 in any index funds like PHY, JEPQ, SEST, S&P 500. Just reinvest all those dividends back into the market and just keep adding $100 every month. In 10 years, you could be earning somewhere like $150 to $200 or even $300 per month in dividends alone, which is fantastic, even without touching the principal. Now imagine doing this for 20 years, 30 years. Yes, this is how wealth is silently built while others are chasing the flashy things. I'm not here to sell you dreams. I'm here to show you what's possible when you commit to a system. This won't happen overnight, but this is the kind of sleep well at night wealth you build once and benefit forever. I don't want 10 Lamborghinis, I just want financial peace. In the next section, we will go deeper into each ETF's portfolio allocations and show you how to grow faster with smart compounding tricks. We will also explore how I am automating everything so I don't have to check the stock markets every day. You don't want to miss that, right? So please subscribe now, hit the bell icon and drop your comments below. What's your current passive income goal? Let's build this together. Tell me your story in the comments. I will personally reply and help you get this started. This is Aussie Wealth Builder, where we build wealth, not hype. See you in the next section. What nobody tells you about the passive income, my turning point. Let's continue where we left off. In the previous section, I told you how I hit the rock bottom, how that one moment sitting there at midnight, drained, thinking, is this all there is, changed my entire life's direction. But here's what came next, and I really want you to listen this closely now. Because this part no one talks about. It's not about the investing, it's not about the ETFs, it's not the portfolios. It's the emotional war inside you. That voice in your head that says, what if this doesn't work? What if I'm too late to start? What if passive income is just a buzzword? I've heard it, trust me. I've lived it, and you might be hearing it too right now. I know that. But you know what kept me going? The vision. A vision is so powerful that it silenced my doubts. A vision where I'm sipping my coffee on the couch, watching dividends roll in while the world is rushing to work. A vision where my family is free, where my time belongs to me truly, not to a boss, not to a block. That's the real game. Not getting rich quick, but building freedom brick by brick, month by month. Now, let me show you how I actually started turning this vision into action. Step number 1. I automated everything. No more I will invest next month. I set up $500 per week auto debit into dividend paying ETFs. No emotions, no excuses. Step number 2. I tracked my cash flow. I started asking myself, what if every dollar I spend could be making me passive income instead? So I cut out the fancy dinners, stopped chasing new gadgets, and rerouted those money straight into those ETFs. Step number 3. I stopped chasing the hype. No more FOMO, no more hyped stocks, or no more overnight crypto flips. I just focused on slow, boring, consistent ETFs. Yes, because you know what? The boring gets rich, hype gets broke. That's the reality. And here's the mindset shift I want you to write down right now. Every dollar I invest today is a soldier fighting for my financial freedom tomorrow. Sweet. Think about that every time you are about to spend money on something very impulsive. That's when my income streams started taking shape. Small at first, just $15 here and $25 there. But it started compounding very quickly. Every month I reinvested. Every cent went back to work. And slowly and steadily I started buying my freedom back. But now let me tell you, brutally, honest now. Most people quit at this stage. They say it's too slow. It's $30 per month. What's the point? It's just one life. But I want you to be remembering this. That $30 per month might feel small, but it's forever, my friends. That's the magic of passive income. It doesn't stop. It keeps coming back again and again. And you know what's more powerful than earning money? earning money without lifting a finger. Even when you sleep, even when you travel, even when you rest. That's real wealth. Let's pause here. Tell me in the comments below, what's your vision of financial freedom? What would you do if money was not a worry anymore? I will personally read every comment and reply. Let's build this community together. You are not alone in this journey. I've got you back. Also, please don't forget to smash and subscribe that button, because in the final series or in the next section, I will reveal my exact ETF breakdown, income strategy, and how you can build your first 100,000 per month from scratch. You do not want to miss that series. And the next series is the blueprint. Financial disclaimer, this video is for educational purpose only and does not constitute any financial advice. Always do your own research or consult a licensed financial advisor before making investment decisions. Again, this is Aussie Wealth Builder, your guide to smart investing, passive income, and achieving true financial freedom. Subscribe now, like the video, and comment below. Let's keep growing this together. My $1,000 per month blueprint. The exact ETFs, strategy, and the timelines. Hey, welcome back. You have stayed with me through these emotions, the reality checks, and the mindset shift. But now it's the time for the real deal. You want the strategy, right? You want the exact path to build that $1,000 per month in passive income step by step. So, in this final part, I'm going to break it all down. My portfolio, my timelines, my logic, and most importantly, how you can replicate this in your life too, no matter where you start. My $1,000 per month passive income strategy. Let me be honest with you. This didn't happen overnight. But here's the good news. This is not about being rich, it's about being free. It's not about a magic numbers, it's about building an income streams that works even when you don't. So here's how I structured it. Phase 1. Foundation building, $0 to $200 per month. I started with dividend ETFs. Why? Because they pay you every quarter, some even every month, without touching the principal. My picks were BHY, the high dividend yield ETFs, Australia, JEPQ or JEPI, the monthly dividend ETFs, and VAP, the real estate REITs dividend exposure, the IVV from BlackRock, which is the S&P 500 ETF, or Nifty 50 growth and stability combo. Rule: I didn't chase high yield blindly. I balanced it with safety, diversification, and reinvestment. And guess what? Even if it's just $25 per month at first, that's a permanent stream. Now phase 2. Scaling up $200 to $600 per month. Now this is where the magic happens. You reinvest every dividend, you add consistency. My system. So $500 per week should be on auto reinvesting. Reinvest 100% of all the dividends you earned. Increase contribution by 10% every year. By month 12, my dividend income touched around $380 to $420 per month purely from compounding and consistency. And here's the mind shift again. I'm not buying stocks. Remember, I am buying income. Phase 3, momentum. So we are gonna shift from $600 to $1,000 per month. This is where I took it up a notch. I added another $15,000 lump sum into VHY and JEPQ. I optimized DRP, which is the dividend reinvestment plan. I started tracking yield on cost, the secret metric, which no one tells you. And today, my cash flow is growing on autopilot. Even when markets fluctuate, I am not timing the market, I am owning the system. The numbers breakdown. Let me break it down simply. The target portfolio size, $250,000. Let's say the average dividend yield is 5%. So the passive income is roughly $12,500 per year, which is $1,000 per month. Does it take time? Yes. Is it boring? Sometimes. But guess what? It works. It's repeatable, my friends. What can you do today? Please take action. Let's turn this from inspiration to implementation. Step number 1. Pick 2 to 3 dividend ETFs. Start small, whatever you could afford. Even with $50 per month, it's a start. Number 2. Enable the DRP, which is the Dividend Reinvestment Program. Let your money make money. Step number 3. Track your passive income every month. Watch it grow. Celebrate every dollar. Step number 4. Increase your investing by 10% every year. They call it as a stepping up. So let inflation work for you, not against you. So the final thoughts, my message to you and my subscribers who are watching this video. If there is one thing I've learned on this journey, it's just this. You don't need to be lucky. You just need to be consistent. Do not wait for a wind wall. Don't wait for the perfect time, because your freedom is built in small decisions today, not some future lottery ticket. And remember, I'm still building this too along with you. I'm not a guru. I'm just a regular person like you, who choose discipline over drama. And if I can do it, so can you. Your journey starts right now. I want to hear from you. What ETFs are you starting with? What's your monthly passive income goal? What's stopping you from getting this started today? I reply to every single comments. Let's talk below. Subscribe to Aussie Wealth Builder, hit that like button, and share this video with someone who needs a push today. We don't chase hype here. We build wealth quietly, powerfully, and consistently. This is Aussie Wealth Builder. See you in the next video.